back to Robert's Race Cars by Triple B. Got a little bit different scenery, at least for a few minutes here. In the UPS truck, I'm here at work, but there's a good reason. It's Thursday. Tonight is open practice at Deep South Speedway for Hunt the Front's Southern Showcase. So we'll be headed that way shortly. I gotta wait for another 20 minutes before I can pick up a letterbox. The last thing I gotta do today. And then we're gonna be headed east to Deep South Speedway in Loxley, Alabama. And for any of the UPS folks watching, if there's any, the Diad's in the cradle. I'm on a designated lunch break, so don't worry, I'm not stealing y'all's time. So we'll check in when we get in the truck and start heading that way.
All right, cue the suspenseful music. Here it goes, guys. Oh yeah, she bites.
Well, that's where that come from.
Yeah.
That's some of Zach's
That's
crazy
Zach
stuff.
rushing stuff. All right, guys, so now you know I'm here with Ronnie and his dad to pit Zach Rushing's number 98 Black Diamond Super Late model for the Hunt the Front race. We're at practice night, so Ronnie asked me to come, and I'm here. So I'm gonna learn a little something tonight. See how he does. Alright guys, so we got the car unloaded. I went around and adjusted tire pressure. Ronnie's gonna jump in this beast tonight and shake it down for this practice. Mr. Ronnie has officially retired from modified racing. That's correct. But they're modified racers, but this is Ronnie's he's dipping his toes a little bit in this, you know, super. This is what, his 5th race? 6th race? Third race ever, and he's running the biggest race of the year. So we're gonna see how he does tonight, shake things down, and who knows, he may come home with $27,000. That would be awesome for his team. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and let's get on the track. Don't let me show nothing I'm not supposed to.
There ain't no secrets.
Okay. All right, guys, here's Ronnie. Your dad just told him it was your what, 3rd race ever in this? 4th, yep. Maybe?
3rd.
Coming from modifieds, won the For the Fallen last year.
Yeah.
How do you like the late model over the modified?
It's completely different. It's actually very comparable, but completely different. Like your power to car ratio, I guess is what you say.
Right.
You know, you got a lot of motor in modified with an 8-inch tire. You got a crap ton of motor in these with a bigger tire, but it's still about the same. You can get wheel spin about the same. So
before you get strapped in and going, what's the game plan for tonight? What's your goal?
Get comfortable with the car, get the gear in it that I want to, and then once I get those things done, if we got plenty of time left, start making small adjustments to try to get it going the right way and picking up speed.
You've only run this track in this car once, right?
With a crate motor in it.
With a crate motor. Now you got
Now
you got a Jay Dickens, right? Are we allowed to say that?
Well, we got twice the motor now, so
Love it.
I know I sucked the first time. Hopefully I'll be good this time.
All right, he's gonna get in the car and we'll see y'all at the track. so y'all just saw the first practice laps. He was really tight in. This time I'm gonna give y'all some GoPro footage. And he made a few adjustments on the left rear. And did some secret stuff that we can't tell you. We're gonna try it and see if it works out. So y'all jump in the car with him. Let's see how this goes. You all right, driver?
Oh yeah. Pride is
Pride's
the only
hurt.
thing. The only thing.
Right rear flat, and you tapped the wall, huh?
Yeah, just barely, but enough to tear it up.
Y'all look at this. I think the sticker got to him. He said, "Who the heck put this on there?" Anyway, I'm gonna get this tire changed, and they're working on some body panels. Big Ronnie is in there working on that. We're gonna see what we can do. See if we can get him back out there. Mr. Ronnie got this put on, fixed. Me and Ronnie got this done. I straightened that sail. Is that a sail panel? No,
Smaller size.
smaller side.
The scratch is gonna make it go faster. That's more arrow.
That's right. Less drag. And then he got that done. So all he's got to do is get everything put together. And we'll be back on the track. Now it is officially super late model time. So right now, 8:30 to 9:30 is only super late model. So we're gonna try to get him back out there where he can go better. Right now he's a second off the pace. So we'll see if he can pick it up. So we made a right rear air adjustment. Feel like it's pushing or bottoming out just a little bit on the right front. So we made that air pressure adjustment. He's gonna go out and try it again. Both. No strap needed for the toolbox.
No, I got it mounted down.
No, the car is holding it.
I don't know more. I guess I'll pull it off and I'll ask. I don't know. They didn't say. Oh, she didn't hand it to me. She didn't say nothing. Yep.
All right, guys, that's a wrap.
Yeah, something like that.
How do you feel, Ronnie? Consistent 16.5s.
Better than the one I came, but not great.
We made some scratches and some damage, but overall, you made some progress.
Hopefully that's the only time I get in the wall all weekend.
Hopefully we have success for the rest of the weekend. That's going to be all for me, because tomorrow night he comes back, and then I don't come back till Saturday. But I appreciate Ronnie and Ronnie letting me come and hang out with them. And y'all be sure to check his channel out for any more footage. I believe he's going to try to film for tomorrow night, right? Tomorrow night and Saturday night.
Sure.
For sure. So I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what was going on. This is the official Outlaw Super Late model. So, any closing remarks?
Driver sucks.
Nah. Driver does not suck.
Hopefully, I have a way better showing tomorrow, and I hope it's not super freezing cold.
Yeah. It wasn't as
probably
bad
won't
as
be.
I thought it was.
Well, you
Tonight
know,
it started cooling off.
Yeah, whenever the driver tears stuff up and you got to work on it pretty hard, you warm up.
Yeah, you
quick.
warm up fast.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little bit of different content. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys Saturday when we come back to hunt the front with our Stinger cars. Hopefully the track stays the same. Fingers crossed. See y'all later.